Kumbalai spa san pongutam ginong kersian bat ginong ilam bakmat jong ke BJP Shillong constituency men hak kesisa jain ke santerik unai wing kila lek pen pinyeso no bat keseng NPP hak jelang kebalalong hadorbar hol laumali Shillong. U kertong ke NPP na not Shillong constituency uba ransom sutengah rengkat bat kejenalang presiden ke NPP Shillong City uba lampang karmujai bat ginong ilam keseng. Kila priang sobhai ki ar pongut ginong ilam ke BJP North Shillong mandal rengkat bat palat lai spa san pongut ginong kersian jong ke BJP hak santerik mentau benai nai wing. Habakren hak jelang uba ransom ulapun pau ya ke jingkeman bot lai kublei kini baro ki belawan penyeso bat KNPP kamtam hakaban a jingkersan yu kurtong keseng banyakun ya election amile arjar pulai.
Now we have a strength of more than 400 people today. Okay? And I want by the time election comes, this group will be able to bring 700 or 800 people from their group. Okay? We will do that. Shall we? Can we do that? Yes. We can do that. Right? Okay. So today, you know, as an honor of welcoming leaders to our party, you see all these leaders today, they are actually the member of Mandal BJP. Alright, so we have Alwin. He is